Hi friends! Welcome back to PM Data Lab. Are you ready to unlock the power of your data and turn it into amazing insights? Because today we are starting our Power BI journey, designed specially for beginners just like you. We will follow the three golden rules to understand Power BI: what, where, and why. We fall first. What is Power BI? It's a powerful data visualization and business intelligence tool by Microsoft that helps you analyze your data and share valuable insights. Next, where can you use Power BI? You can use it for reports, dashboards, or real time analysis, whether for business, academic projects, or personal studies. And finally, why Power BI? Because it's easy to use, integrates seamlessly with Excel, and turns raw data into clear visuals, helping you make smart, informed decisions. Now, you might be thinking, how and where do I download Power BI? Don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to install it. And first, open your Google browser, type Power BI Desktop and click Search. Click the first official Microsoft Power BI Desktop link and you'll be redirected to the download page. Click Download. If your language is other than English, click Advanced, choose your language and then click. Your file will start downloading. Suppose you still don't know where to download it. Don't worry. I've added the link in my description. Just click it and follow along. I hope you've successfully downloaded and installed Power BI Desktop. Now, let's take a quick tour of the interface so you feel confident before building your first report. Power BI journey is designed specially for beginners like you. Now that you know what Power BI is, let's take a step deeper and understand how Power BI actually works. Let's talk about Power BI components and architecture. Power BI has four main components. Each one plays a special role. Number 1. Power BI Desktop. This is where you build your reports and dashboards. You can connect to data, clean it, visualize it, and design everything right on your computer. Number 2. Power BI Service. It's the online platform where you publish and share your reports with others through the cloud. You can collaborate, schedule refreshes, and even create dashboards online. Number 3. Power BI Mobile. This lets you view your reports and dashboards on the go right from your phone or tablet. And finally, Power BI Embedded. This is mainly for developers who want to integrate Power BI visuals inside their own apps or websites. So think of it like this. You create in Power BI Desktop, you publish in Power BI Service, you access anywhere using Power BI Mobile, and if you're a developer, you embed using Power BI Embedded. Each part connects together to make the Power BI ecosystem complete. Now let's look at how all these parts work together, the Power BI architecture. It all starts with your data sources, like Excel files, databases, or cloud platforms. Then, you connect to that data inside Power BI Desktop. Here, you clean it, model it, and create visuals. Next, you publish your report to the Power BI service. That's where others can view it, interact with it, or collaborate. To keep your data fresh and up to date, a Power BI gateway connects your on-premise data to the cloud. Finally, with Power BI Mobile, you can explore your dashboards anytime, anywhere. In short, data source, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile. That's the full journey of your data, from raw to insight. There are four main areas you need to know: the ribbon, the fields pane, the visualizations pane, and the report canvas. Let's explore them one by one. First, the ribbon. It's right at the top of your Power BI window. Think of it like your main control panel, where all your important tools are neatly arranged. You'll find tabs like Home, Insert, Modeling, and View. From here, you can import data, transform it, and even create new visuals or measures. So yes, the ribbon is where all the action begins. Next, look to the right-hand side. This is your Fields pane. This is where all your tables and columns appear once your data is loaded. Just expand a table, explore the columns, and drag any field directly onto your canvas. It's like your data library, always ready when you need it. Now comes the fun part, the visualizations pane. Here's where your creativity shines. You'll find charts, maps, slicers, and visuals of all kinds. Want to make your report pop? Click a chart, drag your fields in, and then customize the colors, labels, and titles to match your style. This is where you bring your data to life. And right in the middle, that's your report canvas. This is your workspace, your storytelling zone. You can move visuals, resize them, and arrange your charts to create beautiful dashboards. Think of it as your blank page, where insights come together to tell your story. Okay, let's do a quick demo together. Go to the Home tab, click Get Data, and choose Excel. Select your sample file, click Open, then in the Navigator window, select your sheet and press Load. Once loaded, check your Fields pane. Your table is ready. Now, drag a column like sales amount onto your canvas and choose a clustered column chart from the Visualizations pane. Perfect. You've just created your first Power BI visual. See, it's not complicated. Just explore one pane at a time. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become with Power BI. And remember, learn together, grow together. That's the magic of learning with PM Data Lab. In our next video, we'll dive into data cleaning and transformation, where we'll prepare your data step by step. If you enjoyed this session, please like, share, and subscribe to PM Data Lab. Your support truly keeps me motivated to make more tutorials for you. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep analyzing. Learn together, grow together with PM Data Lab.